mentioned by others, particularly Dr. Kuria, the constitutional values, about 17. What we did is to sit and then try to merge and amalgamate those values to bring them into 5. So there are many values you can see. Next slide. Yes, there are about 17. Go ahead. About 17 values, national values, which are in the Constitution, the 2010 Constitution. But in short, what we did is to try to pick and consolidate those 17 into 5. And as Dr. Kuri has said, we are open. It's just an idea which has cropped up. Why 5? We don't have a specific answer to that, but we thought maybe reducing them to 5. So it's an open idea, and we welcome any other comments. So those are the 5 values. Number 1, sacrifice and contribution for the common good and desired future. We had some of them, we had to bring them together like this, particularly the first one, sacrifice and contribution for the common good and desired future, because we thought of merging 2 into 1. Number 2, sharing and cooperation. Number 3, working and growing together, stewardship, leadership, etc. And number 5, shared humanity and dignity. So those are the basically 5 values which we have come up, and we propose, so to speak, to be the national values, of course from the religious perspective. So in brief, each value has some elements. We tried to pick from those 17 values and other values and try to bring them under the shade of one value. For example, the first value, you can see issues of respect, promotion of fundamental rights, development, peace and security. Second value, sharing, devolution of power, national unity, etc. So what we tried is to bring like a thematic value, and then under each value try to bring other relevant values which will fall under that theme. Number 3, issues of human dignity, social justice and inclusiveness, etc. Value number 4, transparency, accountability, integrity and etc. And finally, number 5, shared humanity and dignity. What you will also notice that there are some other sub-themes in the values which repeat. Things like social justice, because they cut across. Things like human rights, they cut across. And we had to focus on this particular value, particularly the value number 5, the issue of humanity. That is what we lack when we hear people killing one another, fighting one another. It's because the human aspect is lacking. What others were calling it Ubuntu. It's from South Africa, isn't it? We call it in Swahili Utu. I don't know whether South Africans have borrowed from us, I'm not sure, but the aspect of Utu, to be humane, is lacking, and that is, I think, is a core value and the 5th value. There's something wrong. Okay, fine. Go again, go down again. Okay, this is just a sample, a format of how the booklet will look like, and you have a sample in your folders. Basically, you will have the value, and then under the value, you will have a brief introduction, significance of the value, and then more important are the key messages. So each value from the 5 national values will have the key messages. Example, the value number 1 will have the issue of patriotism, nationalism, and unity, which I think they are core aspects of that value. And then after that, we have scriptural references, like a backing, from the religious perspective. For example, like the Christian side, we have a quotation from the Bible there, and then from the Muslim side, we have from the Quran a verse. So to support or to back up rather that value, and also equally from our colleagues Hindus, we are expecting to get some values. So that is the format of how the booklet will look like. Finally, after being validated, we'll have the value, a national value, and then under it a brief introduction, and then the key messages, which are very, very important for our people, our citizens, particularly the youth, to absorb and implement. And then finally, we will have a scriptural reference where the 3 religions, Christian, Muslim, and Hindu, will back up those values. Yeah, next. I think I've finished my part. Thank you very much.